Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC60 versus the Porsche Macan. We'll dive into what makes each luxury compact SUV unique, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle and driving preferences. We'll explore their performance, interior features, and overall value, giving you a clear picture of what to expect from these popular models. When it comes to performance, the Porsche Macan truly shines with its athletic handling and responsive engines, delivering an exhilarating drive. In contrast, the Volvo XC60 focuses on a serene and comfortable journey, perfect for daily commutes and long trips. Both offer capable powertrains, but their driving philosophies are distinctly different, appealing to varied tastes behind the wheel. Inside, the XC60 boasts a beautifully minimalist Scandinavian design, using high-quality materials and intuitive technology for a calming atmosphere. The Macan, however, presents a more driver-centric cockpit, combining luxury with sporty accents and robust controls. Both vehicles provide sophisticated infotainment systems and practical cargo solutions, ensuring comfort and connectivity for all occupants. Considering value, the Volvo XC60 often provides a compelling package with its extensive standard safety features and luxurious appointments at a competitive price point. The Porsche Macan, while more expensive, justifies its cost with superior performance and brand prestige. Both are top-rated for safety, offering peace of mind. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.